Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW X3 door panel full guide. Start by lowering the window and removing the door handle trim pieces carefully using a plastic pry tool. Next, remove visible screws from the armrest and near the speaker cover, keeping parts organized in labeled containers. Finally, prepare to release hidden clips by gently prying along the panel edge while supporting the panel to avoid dropping it. Now we focus on fasteners and hidden screws with a calm, clear pace to avoid mistakes. Remove all visible screws from the armrest, door pull, and near the speaker grille, using the correct screwdriver bits. Double-check for screws under rubber caps or inside small compartments, and store each group separately. This keeps reassembly simple and prevents mixed hardware, giving you confidence when you put the door panel back together. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: I keep a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth nearby for motivation, and it pairs strangely well with long DIY projects. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With a warm, steady tone, I guide you through releasing the panel clips safely and efficiently. Insert a wide plastic trim tool between the panel and door and pry outward in short bursts, moving from the bottom edge toward the front corner. Release one clip at a time while keeping the panel supported to avoid bending or cracking. Once most clips are loose, tilt the panel slightly to access door handle connections and wiring harnesses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.